The standard humidity setting in most homes, and most people are going to be comfortable there, is 35%. As the weather goes up and down, 35% should keep you comfortable. As it gets colder outside, you'll want to probably dial this down to 30 or 25%. The reason being, the warm water vapor that we're standing in is naturally going to gravitate to a cold spot, typically the windows, and you'll get a little bit of condensate on the windows. Turning it downward so the humidifier doesn't come on as often will reduce the amount of condensate that gets on the windows. Again, 35% should be a common spot to keep it, and that should keep you comfortable.